This is a car inverter DC 12V to 220V AC. I'll buy it from a junkman just from $1 and I want to repair it. So first I'll unscrew all the nuts and uncover the circuit. And now you can see here the circuit is very dirty. There is much dust on the PCB and you can see here the transistor is blasted. I want to clean the circuit with my toothbrush and then remove the blast one transistors with my soldering iron. After removing the transistor, I'll also check this resistor, transistor and Zener diode which one connect to all transistors. And now on the switch. So the green LED is glow. It's mean our circuit is okay. Add a new one transistor that is actually a MOSFET metal oxide field effect transistor and the number is 75 and 75. So I'll add that nicely and solder it with my soldering iron. The one point is damaged, so that is a double front PCB, so I'll solder from the other side. I'll on the switch and the fan is on and I'll check the output voltage. Sadly there is nothing. I'll also check the voltage on the output capacitor, but there is nothing. So now I want to check the inverter section, the IRF transistors. And I'll also notice that the one MOSFET is much heated than the other one. So first we want to check the IRF. So you can see here the one IRF is short. I'll check the others, that is okay, but the one is short. I'll check one by one. There is one IRF is short. So I'll remove it and suck the soldering iron with my sucker and clean a little bit the circuit, and I'll also check the resistors which one connect to our IRF. I'll add the new one IRF and solder it with my soldering iron. I'll on the switch and check the voltage. So there is 195 VAC only. I'll also check the heat of the IRF. There is okay, but the one MOSFET is very heat than the other one. And I also checked the DC voltage on the capacitor and there is only 200 V. So I'll check the component again with my DMM and I'll notice there is one resistor as the value which one is connected to our MOSFET gate. The value is 10 ohm. So I'll change the resistor and now check the output voltage. Now you can see here the DC voltage is 278 and if I check the AC voltage they close to 220 V. So now our inverter is finally okay and the heat is normal.